Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have a personal Facebook account and access to the business manager you need. Log into Business. Facebook. Choose the correct business manager and open Business Settings. Once there, locate people and assets to begin access requests. Make sure you have verification documents and the account ID for pages and ad accounts handy. You'll add people by email. Use their exact Facebook-connected email to avoid delays and ensure you assign the right role immediately. Now you add or request access. In Business Settings, go to People and click Add, enter the person's Facebook email, choose role, and select assets they need. If you need an external asset, go to Pages or Add Accounts, click Add, then request access and enter the page or account ID. Explain why you need each permission. This speeds approvals. Once done, check pending requests and notify the other party to accept promptly so permissions propagate without friction. Finish by verifying access works. Ask someone to post or open the ad account to confirm permissions. Once accepted, review roles in Business Settings to ensure no excess privileges remain. If an invitation expires or a request is denied, confirm the email and asset ID, then resend. Often typos cause failures. If problems persist, use Business Manager Support and Help Center and include screenshots and ID. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.